Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete virus in your Android phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to delete virus in your Android phone. Now for the first method, just open up your Google Play Store. After that, tap on this profile icon and then go to manage apps and device. After that, go to harmful apps option. Now from here, to find and delete any virus, you have to just scan your all the phone apps. Just tap on scan and you can see that will start scanning. So just give it a moment. And the scan is complete. You can see there are no harmful apps in my phone. Now for the second method, just open up your settings app. Now from here, scroll down and then go to device care option. After that, scroll down a bit and then go to app protection option. Now from here you have to scan your phone. Just tap on scan phone. Now that will scan your all the phone apps and system apps. So just give it a moment. And the scan is complete. You can see there are no threats found in my phone. That means there are no virus in my phone. And that is how you can delete virus in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.